My name? I'm Lissette, cafe manager here at Brew Coffee. Hello and Happy New Year. Today I'm going to be brewing the new coffee for subscription. This coffee is very special for me from Costa Rica. The producer is Ivan Solis and his family. I was very lucky and I went to this farm last year with Bly. Very nice people. He worked with his family. He had been working in coffee since he was very young, but just recently in the last 7-8 so years he started his own business. They have won the Cup of Excellence the last 3 years in a row. So the coffee today, it's black honey, it's a red Catuai, and I'll be using the Origami dripper as well as the Origami flat bottom filter. The recipe that I'm going to be using today is something that I usually use at home, just 16 grams of coffee for 250 grams of water total. 4 pours in total, including the bloom, 50 grams, then 130, 190 and 250. I have my coffee here. Ta-da! For today, I'm going to be grinding my coffee in the 1C Press Ultra, grind size 6.7, 16 grams. So 16 grams of coffee. My first pour is going to be for the bloom, 50 grams, and we'll wait around 40 seconds. As I mentioned before, this coffee, it's black honey. It was fermented after harvest for 48 hours, then washed pulp and rested in best. Then my second pour up to 130. Around 1 minute 10 seconds, we add the next 60 grams of water up to 190. And we pretty much wait till all the water passes through. This coffee, because of the altitude and the variety as well, is not very dense, so don't worry if your extraction is faster than for most of the coffees. And a total of 250 with my last pour of 60 grams as well. Total brew time is going to be around 2 minutes 15 seconds. Perfect. A lot of cherry from the aroma as well as dark chocolate. Very nice, especially tasting a lot of cherry, dark chocolate, some pecan as well, sometimes cashew. Very easy drinking, easy for any time of the day. And also we tasted it earlier on espresso. Also tastes really nice with milk. We can post a recipe later as well for that. So again, very happy to be starting the year with this coffee from Ivan. Ivan worked also with his wife, Leandra. His son is the roaster of the business, Ivan, and he also worked with his daughter Sol. Very, very nice family, very lovely place. I was very surprised by Santa Maria Dota, which is he lives and the farms are. The community is very, very involved in the coffee. It was very nice to see the whole town smell like coffee being fermented. So yeah, brings me a lot of memories of being there with Bly and Ivan and his family, just tasting coffee and enjoying. So cheers. Cup coffee everywhere. You make me nervous. Yeah, I'm sweating.